Imagine if coding was more like painting a masterpiece than solving a math problem. That's the future of software engineering with AI. Hey everyone, and welcome to the Tech Talk. Today, we're diving deep into the world of artificial intelligence and its impact on software engineering. A recent article on MSN caused a stir, claiming AI might render coding obsolete. Fear not, coders. While AI is changing the game, it won't replace software engineers. In fact, it'll create a whole new breed, the AI engineer. Imagine building software with superpowers. That's what AI-powered development brings to the table. But to wield this power, we need engineers who understand both coding and AI. These AI engineers will bridge the gap using AI tools to automate repetitive tasks and focus on the bigger picture, designing innovative software solutions. Let's explore some real-world examples of how AI is transforming software development. AI can generate code snippets or even entire functions based on natural language prompts, saving developers time and reducing errors. AI tools can analyze code for potential bugs, vulnerabilities, and style inconsistencies, helping developers write cleaner and more secure code. AI can predict user behavior and preferences, enabling developers to create personalized and engaging software experiences. AI-powered NLP can enable software to understand and respond to human language, creating more intuitive and user-friendly applications. There is prediction that by 2027, 80% of software engineers will need to upskill. This doesn't mean starting from scratch. Think of it as adding a new superpower to your existing coding arsenal. So what skills will future software engineers need? Here are a few key areas. Understanding how AI learns and makes decisions, mastering tools like TensorFlow or PyTorch to build and integrate AI models, working with data to train and improve AI models, and leveraging cloud platforms to deploy and scale AI applications efficiently. While the AI revolution offers exciting opportunities, it also comes with challenges and concerns. Some may worry about job displacement or the ethical implications of AI. However, by embracing upskilling and addressing these concerns proactively, we can navigate the future of software engineering successfully. The AI revolution is here, but it's not a threat to software engineers. It's an opportunity. By upskilling, software engineers can become AI engineers, building the next generation of intelligent software. Ready to join the AI revolution? We'll provide resources and links in the description below. Stay tuned for future episodes where we delve deeper into AI and its impact on different fields. Follow us for more tech insights and inspiration.